Education is not so much the feeding of facts into the mind, but it is awakening of curiosity in the soul of every child. Our platform to inculcate, it's high time to realize that a number of challenges lay ahead of us in creating a new society, and we have awakened with your immeasurable support and appreciation.
Sir, please. Yes.
We look forward with a sense of hope towards a great. I request to honor and felicitate to our distinguished guest, Sri K. Kandapalli Janardhan Reddy.
Sir, please. Sir, sir, idhar change, please. Sir. Yes, sir.
Next, I request to our headmistresses and our staff. And also I request to our headmistresses and our staff. Please honor and felicitate the who is in touch with regularly to our improvement of our school and infrastructure, and also is a former student, Sri U. Sudarshan Yadav garu.
Yes. Sir, please.
Next, I request to honor and felicitate to our
yes, madam. Madam, please. Yes.
And also I request to our headmistresses and our staff, colleagues, please honor and felicitate, and who is our technical support to our school and touches regular to our school improvement, Sri P. Srinivas Reddy garu, Deputy Commissioner, LB Nagar. The success, who is the background of this program success, the mainly the choreographer, Vijay Kumar. I request to our headmistresses and the colleagues, please honor and felicitate the choreographer who is behind of our successful program, K. Vijay Kumar. And also I request the administration of colleagues, please honor and felicitate to our MEO C.G. Venkategan.
Sir, please. One more.
Please, I request, appeal to the all audience, please encourage the program with your big hand. Once again, I request to all of our audience, please encourage the program till the end of this program.
Yes.
And also I request, so who is the financial supporter of this program and the ex-former student of this school, Sri Narra Srinivas garu with the memento. And also I request to the administration and our colleagues, please honor and felicitate TRTU District President Sri Janani State and Sri Hariraj Gowda garu, the former student of our Sarnar school. And also I request, please honor the SU District President, the Sadanand Gowda garu. Please I request the administration, please honor the Sadanand Gowda garu, the SU President of district. And also I request the please honor the SLTM District President Bashir.
Yes, sir.
And
Sir, please.
and also I request our headmistresses and colleagues to honor to our former headmaster Sri B. Narayan Reddy garu. And also I request to our headmistresses and colleagues,
Sir.
please be honored to our former headmaster Sumati Madam garu.
Yes, ma'am.
And also our former physical director of our ZBHS Sarun Nagar.
సార్ దగ్గర జరగండి సార్ ప్లీజ్ దగ్గర జరగండి ఎస్ సార్ సార్ ప్లీజ్
And also I request our headmistress, please honor our Basma Begum, the minority cell president of our LB Nagar circuit.
ఎస్ సార్ సార్ ప్లీజ్ ఎస్ మేడం
ఇంకా కూడా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినటువంటి అతిథులు మరియు మా మొట్టమొదటగా మన 7వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులు బాంగరా డ్యాన్స్ నృత్య ప్రదర్శన జరుగుతుంది.
Bhangra dance. Bhangra dance is well known to Indians and there is nothing classical about Punjabi Bhangra. Bhangra dance is male dominated folk dance.
Minds will make it definitely valuable in the life of the child and prosperity of the nation.
सप्ताश्वरथमारूढम् प्रचण्डं कश्यपात्मजम् श्वेतपद्मधरं देवं तं सूर्यं प्रणमाम्यहम्